Good morning students. Today we are going to start chapter 9 from the book First Right. The name of the chapter is Madam Rides the Bus. Students, as you know, we all love writing. Do you love writing or not? Yes, we all love writing. Whether it is of car, bus or any vehicle, we love writing. And in this story, the author has given us the details about a girl named Vali who loves riding, and she loves to ride a bus. She collects each and every minute detail from the passengers of the bus, and after that she collects some money for the bus and she takes a trip to the town in the bus and returns back in the same bus with new experiences. Students, it is written by Valkananan, who was a Tamil writer, and he was a writer, a social worker, critic and a translator also. Students, he started to write in the very young age, and he had published 25 books when he was only 30 years old, and in his life he had published 75 books. And this is a story, Madam Rides the Bus, is also written by him. There are two main characters in the story. Vali, she was an 8-year-old girl and her favorite wish was to ride the bus. She always used to stand at the doorway and to watch the bus. The bus conductor was a jolly kind of person. He addresses Vali as madam. That's why the author has given the title to the chapter, Madam Rides the Bus. Let's start the story. Vali and her favorite pastime. Students, as I have told, Vali, she was an 8-year-old girl and her wish was to travel the bus. Student, she was very curious about things. Standing at the doorway of their main door and look at the bus was her favorite pastime. She always used to stand at the door of her house and looked outside the people, those who are traveling, and the bus that travelled in their street from their village to the nearest town. Vali wants to travel the bus. Students, Vali's favorite wish was to travel the bus. She always wanted to travel the bus, and this was her favorite wish, and this wish became stronger and stronger until it became a desire. It became a desire for her to ride a bus, and she collected all the information from the passengers, those who had travelled in the bus. And she listened carefully to the people, to her neighbors, those who had travelled the bus. And she had collected details about the bus. Students, now she had discovered all the details about the bus journey from the passengers, from her friends, from her neighbors. So she came to know about that. To the city took 45 minutes and the fare was 35 paise to one side. Anyhow, she had collected the money for the bus fare and she took the bus for ride. It was the spring afternoon when she took the bus, and this time her mother was sleeping. And one more thing, she wanted to ride the bus alone. Her mother was not aware about this. She took the bus, it was the afternoon time, that's why there were only 6 to 7 passengers in the bus. When she entered the bus, the driver told her to get seated in the front seat and he addresses her as a madam. But she didn't want to sit. She was looking outside. She was looking outside the world. Because for the first time she came outside of her village. She was looking canals, rivers, mountains, forests, and even more things she saw outside. That was a cow. The cow was running on the road without paying attention to anything. The driver was honking continuously, but the cow didn't give way to the bus. So Vali got excited to see this, and she was very happy to see this kind of views outside the world. Finally, the bus reaches the town. Now the bus reached the town, and all the passengers got down. But Vali didn't get down, as the conductor told her to get down and go to the market. Even he offered her to tea and some treat also, but she refused it because she had not enough money to pay for that. And he also told the driver that she had to go back in the same bus to the village. That's students. Now the bus started coming back to the village. When the bus started coming back to the village, Vali again was very excited. She didn't get bored of the views of the outside. She was continuously looking outside the same views. And after that, when they were on the way, she saw the dead body of the same cow whom she had seen in the first trip when they were going to the town. It was the dead body of the same cow that was lying on the road. This scene haunted her. Now she sat on the seat. After that, no longer she saw outside the window. Finally, she reached home and she get down from the bus and directly went to her house. So students, but her mother was not aware about this because it was a sleeping time of her mother, and she came back with the new experiences of the town as well as of the bus also. Thank you.